Types of generators. Which one is right for you? On a construction site or in a workshop, not all generators are created equal. Each type has its own strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use case. Let's break them down so you know exactly which one suits your work. Conventional or open-frame generators. These are the most common on job sites. They're rugged, powerful, and usually more affordable. Open-frame generators can handle sudden power spikes from tools like grinders, mixers, or welders. The downside: they're louder and less fuel efficient, but if your priority is raw power and durability, this is the way to go. Inverter generators. Inverter generators are all about clean, stable electricity. They convert power through an inverter circuit, making the output safe for sensitive electronics like laptops, measuring devices, or battery chargers. They're quiet, compact, and fuel efficient, perfect for light tools, finishing work, or indoor renovation. However, they're more expensive and not built for continuous heavy-duty loads. Diesel generators. If you need something that runs all day, every day, diesel is the workhorse. These units deliver high torque and last longer under heavy load. They're ideal for large construction machinery, welders, and mixed tool setups. Diesel fuel is more efficient and safer to store, though these generators are heavier and noisier than petrol models. Dual fuel and hybrid options. Some modern generators can run on both petrol and LPG gas. They offer flexibility when one type of fuel isn't available and often reduce emissions. These are great for contractors who move between sites or work in areas with limited fuel options. Quick recap. For light tools and mobility, go inverter. For rough site work, go open-frame petrol. For non-stop industrial use, diesel is king. And if you want flexibility, dual-fuel hybrids give you both convenience and economy. Always match the generator type to how you actually work, not just the price tag. A properly chosen generator means smoother operation, less downtime, and more productivity. If you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to stay updated on our videos. Be sure to check out our other videos to stay informed and maximize your knowledge. For more information on power tools, generators, or other products, you can reach us at gz-supplies.com, or you can email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.